अभिवादनशीलस्य नित्यं वृद्धोपसेविनः चत्वारि तस्य वर्धन्ते आयुर्विद्या यशो बलम. Abhivadanashila means one who knows to give respect, one who knows to bend. It is very important to give respect to the people who work. Children, nobody is perfect. But we always criticize the people for not doing the things. We forget that they did something. That's why we are here. We leave the good qualities, we take the bad qualities and we scold. So don't do that. Abhivadanashilasya. Try to respect everyone for his good works. Abhivadanashilasya. One who knows to give respect. Nityam vruddhopasevinaha. Vruddha means not just old people, children. Vruddha means jnana vruddha, elder by knowledge, vayo vruddha, elder by age. So, karma vruddha, elder by work. So, whoever you feel better than you, just serve him. Just do seva. Only by seva you can attain the knowledge from the teachers. In old days there used to be gurukulas. Children used to be there and do all their own works. And the works of guru, works of teacher. We say guru shushrushaya jnanam. If you serve the teacher, if you make him happy by your work, then automatically his knowledge will transfer to you by the blessings of the teachers. His or her knowledge will come to you only by the blessings. It is true, children. So always try to give respect and do the things properly which makes your teachers happy. And not just teachers, parents, friends, relatives, everyone is helpful to you in your life. So we respect everyone. So abhivadanashilasya nityam vruddhopasevinah chatvari tasya vardhante. So 4 things will increase in his life, in her life. Which are they? Ayu, lifespan will increase. By the blessings of parents, teachers and elders, your lifespan will increase. You will live more. Ayu, vidya, knowledge. Knowledge will increase. That is the base for a happy life. If no knowledge, nothing is there. First, we need life. Why? To earn knowledge. So, Ayu, Vidya. When you have a lifespan, when you have a knowledge, then you will enjoy the success. Yasho. Ayu, Vidya, Yasha. Yasha means success. So you will be successful. To be successful, you should live first. Then you must get the knowledge. So Ayu, Vidya, Yasha. Yasha is success. Balam, strength. The strength will come to survive. The success is the strength for survival. If we are not successful, we can go in depression. By seeing others' success, we feel, I did not do anything. So, we can go to depression. So, success is very much essential to be strong in our lives. So all these four things will come to you when you know to respect others for their good qualities and you serve the elder people. I told you, elder not just by age, by knowledge, by work and by age. So, अभिवादनशीलस्य नित्यं वृद्धोपसेविनः चत्वारि तस्य वर्धन्ते आयु विद्या यशो बलम.